This video demonstrates how to use the Crestron touchscreen to operate the projection system in the classroom. The Crestron touchscreen is installed in most of our large-sized classrooms, such as the topping room in the Old Chapel and the multipurpose room in Andrews Hall. The touchscreen comes in two different formats. The flip-top unit, as shown here, is often mounted on the top of the technology lectern. The other format is the wall-mount touchscreen, usually located next to the large TV or the wall screen. Please note, you will not need a remote control to turn on the ceiling projector or the large screen TV if the touchscreen control system is available in the room. Use the control system only for projection. So let's get started. If the touchscreen is not lit, tap firmly on the screen to wake it up. You will see the large button, Touch Here to start. Let's press. The projector will light up only after you select the source, which will be covered in the next few slides. On the welcome screen, select the source to be projected. For our first example, we'll select the main PC. It may take a minute for the PC screen to display on the large screen. Note that the projection screen mirrors the computer monitor. From the touch screen, you can control the sound volume by pressing these buttons. For instance, if you use the PC to play back a DVD video or to show something from YouTube, you may want to adjust the level of the audio. You may also mute the audio by pressing this. This button is also helpful for troubleshooting. If you don't hear the soundtrack, this is the one to check. The other place to check is the speaker icon located on the bottom right corner of your computer monitor. This icon shows the sound is on. A bar crossing the speaker means the sound is muted. Next, we're going to project the laptop. In most cases, you will need to press the laptop button to see two options for connection, HDMI or VGA. The HDMI connection is preferred because it gives better display quality. If your laptop is over 3 years old and does not have the HDMI port, then you will need to use the VGA connection. Let's suppose your computer does have the HDMI port. In case you don't see HDMI icon on the touchscreen when pressing laptop, press this button, Auxiliary, and then select HDMI. For Windows laptop, whether you use HDMI or VGA, simply use the connector located near the touchscreen and connect it to your laptop. The Apple laptops, however, need an adapter to connect to the projection system. It can be an HDMI adapter or a VGA adapter. Use the existing connector located near the touchscreen to connect to the adapter. Then connect the other end to your Mac. After the laptop is connected to the touchscreen system, select the source, preferably HDMI. Or, for older computers, select VGA. Wait a few seconds. You will see the laptop screen being projected. Note that the projection screen mirrors the laptop screen, and the desktop computer monitor is blank. Next, we're going to project the video played back on the standalone DVD VCR player. Press this icon, and you can play, stop, and pause the video from the touch screen. If you prefer, you may use the remote control for the DVD or VCR player. It is usually located in the tech lectern cabinet. Control the audio by pressing these. Note the video displays on both the wall screen as well as the computer monitor. Let's look at this icon. Press it. By pressing blank, you will blank the display on the wall-mounted screen. This is useful when you're trying to get something ready on the main PC or on the DVD VCR player before letting students see it. When it's time for the students to see, go ahead and deselect this button. Here's a tip for troubleshooting. If the projector does not seem to project the main PC or laptop monitor, most likely the blank button is selected. Press it again to deselect. The wall screen will mirror the PC monitor. Press to return. Finally, it is extremely important when you finish the presentation, you should turn off the system. Press Exit System. On the next screen, press System Off. A troubleshooting tip. If you cannot seem to turn on the system, do the following. On the lit touchscreen, at the bottom right corner, select Exit System, then press System Off. Wait for the projector to cool down, and then restart the system.